So, one of Presley's favorite games is to hunt for one of his toys. And as you as you can see, he's not wasting any time. I know. Sit down. Sit down, little boy. Sit down. Sit. Stay there. So what we do is we take blankets and we bury a toy in it. We it's like we kind of do it with like levels. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. We do it like levels, like level 6, level 7. We haven't gone to level 10 yet, which I think is 3 blankets. 3 blankets would be level 10. But as you can see, every time he's going to get this toy out. Here we go. Ready, sit, and go. And he just digs it out. This is his favorite game. As you can see, one of his new toys, Taco, is there. No, I have not made the bed yet because of this. But he just loves this. And it tuckers him out. So his toy Ducky is in there. They all have names. He knows all of them. So he'll take it, he'll bite it. So obviously it's in the kind of blue-gray covered blanket. For some reason, in my sister's room, her Google thing went off. It heard me and thought I was asking for directions when I didn't. Where's Ducky? Where's Ducky? He's in there. He's in there. Ducky's in there. And he'll work his ass off to get it, too. It's probably like in this part. Or, no, he smells it, so he knows where it is. He's just got to uncoil it. See? He shuffles it everywhere. He uses his back legs. Smart little son of a bitch. You're gonna get it. Oh, I'm getting so tired, Uncle Dave. He knows it's there. Don't fall off the bed. Yeah, you almost did. What would this be, a level 8? Oh! You heard him. You stepped on him. He always gets it, though. This one he's struggling with a bit. This might be the longest time it's ever taken him, now that I'm, actually creating footage of this. Don't fall off the bed. You can get it, bud. You can get it. Oh, don't fall off. Did you get him? Did you get him? Where is he? You got Ducky! You got him! Good job! As his tail wags. Good job! You got Ducky. Yeah, let's get you some fresh water now, eh? Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah.